think I'll leave all the surprises to you for a few weeks later. You're going to find out very soon. All of us are reprising our own roles. So yes, I will be Sakshi in Rock On, but I think a completely reinvented Sakshi is what you can call it. Very, very interesting this time around because, we as individuals have evolved so much. Even as professionals, we've all evolved so much. And I think so has our characters. So that was the most interesting thing about the film, that, we've grown and so have our characters grown. And there was, the beauty about it is that there's still this heart and soul of us in those roles, and which is why when I came back to this role, it was surreal. I couldn't believe if I have actually lived this, all my life or not, because yes, I lived it for that period. But coming back to it, I felt like I was that person, and yes, this is who I've been all these years. It was strange. Yeah, we have the amazing Shankar Ehsaan and Loy again in Rock On 2 as well. I love their music. I have always loved their music, and especially Rock On. Rock On 2, we have some amazing tracks for them. You will have to, of course, hold your horses a bit because, the release is in November. A few weeks before that, of course, you'll get to hear the music, which is a little far away from here. But I think the music this time is fabulous. Again, because it's based on rock music and all of that, so yes, you will get that close touch with it. We did shoot in Shillong this time around, which is like the rock capital of this country. So there's a beautiful flavor that it has. Of course, rock music is intact, but this time around, I think there's also a bit of variations in certain tracks, which is very, very interesting, because the whole album compiled together, everything put together, it gives you that variation. It also gives you that essence of the closeness to the first part, and I think it stays true to what you're hoping for, what you're expecting. At the same time, gives you something new. I think that combination is just amazing from Shankar Ehsaan and Loy. I think I'll leave all the surprises to you for a few weeks later. You're going to find out very soon. Yes, in the first part, Ajeeb Dastaan Hai Ye, which I sang, was a surprise to me as well, because they caught me off guard. I never thought that they're going to make me sing in the film, but it just happened, and I think it was really interesting because I wasn't a part of the band, but that was my moment that I had. Yeah, I think it was amazing reuniting with the team this time. Like I said, there was something about the whole thing that made us feel like, oh, we have always been here. We've always been, it wasn't like it's not like we get to see each other regularly or keep in touch that much, because yes, everybody's busy with their own projects and all of that. But it still felt like, oh, this is so familiar for all of us. This has been us in the last few years. So it was like coming back home. I think the best thing that happened for all of us was shooting in Shillong, because this was the first time we were so far away in the lap of nature, which was just beautiful in its own. I think it just drew all of us in, and because we were reuniting after this long, and with everybody evolved so much, but yet that strong bond, that connection still intact. I just think it was surreal again. It was great, and I think this time the bond, the friendship, all of that has just gotten better, because the familiarity is so much, and yeah, all that time that we got to spend together, it was great.
Raji, apparently you have moved out of your next film, which was titled as Penalty, and you were apparently playing the female football coach in it. Is it true, or are these are rumors?
Well, there are some reasons because of which we can't really talk about this. Okay. So I'm sorry, I won't be able to shed any light on it as yet. But yeah, I have to refrain from that. Honestly, I think I'm very keen on doing a love story next, and I hope that's what I sign next. Because that's one genre that I've never really been a part of, and like an out and out romantic film. The backdrop could be anything. I mean, it could be a rom-com, it could be an intense love story, it could be a thriller, a mystery, anything. But I think a love story is something that I'm looking out for.